all you beautiful people out there, and the ugly ones. Back out today, going for a camp with the long missed Steve. Say hi, Steve.
Hey, Steve.
You said that the last time we walked on this field. So yeah, we were going to go up and build a bit of the headquarters, but don't know if you can tell, it's already getting a bit dark, so we thought, sod it, we're not going to bother doing that because we only have about an hour to 2 hours of time up there. So we're just going to go for a camp in the other headquarters that we got. Gonna make a little fire, well, probably bush box it actually, and cook up a bit of food. I got sausages, Steve's got some steak, and just gonna have a bit of a chill up there, and probably, as always, a few beers. So rather than filming all the walkaways, scenes and everything that you've seen a million times on this route, next time you see us, we'll be up there. Okay, bye. Right, so we're at the headquarters. Here we go. Not the new one that we're in the middle of building. Well, not in the middle. It was only started it. We were going to go there tonight, but we just didn't really have enough time. As you can see, it's already dark now. It's not quite dark out there, but the sun is going down, or pretty much. No, I think that's set, hasn't it now? By the looks, yeah. So yeah, we've got probably about 20 minutes of this light left, and you can't even see me now really properly, can you? So I'll just take you over to Steve. Steve always likes to get his stuff up straight away. Obviously we got some nice new light in tonight in the den. We should really name this place, I think. Put in your comments, all different names, and if there's a good one amongst it, we'll make that the winner, and we will call this den the best comments name, unless we only get 1 or 2 comments and they're crap. So
let's have a good camp.
yeah, in fact, let's start with a beer. I'm not going to bother putting my tent up until I'm drunk. Right, so yeah, this is the nice setup we got for tonight. I'll just have a tent somewhere behind me. That's Steve's chair on the left, my chair on the right. We got our 2 little bush boxes, because it's going to be a little bit cold, because it is bonfire night. I've got my new little lantern here. I did have the 30 quid job with a tin, but it was a tin one, and it turned out to be really leaky, and it wouldn't hold the liquid for any more than about 10 minutes. So yeah, I just got this £8.99 job instead off Amazon, and it's doing a treat. I appreciate you can't really see it well because of the glare, but yeah, it's a good flame. Comes with 2 wicks and a funnel. I'll put a little link for that actually, because, well, let's see what it's like by the end of the night, and hope it doesn't explode or burn the liquid too much. My little hero beam light, it's not really little anymore, it's quite big and chunky, but I like it because it's got this like Star Trek thing. We go it's like so satisfying to do that. Right, let's look in the bag of magic, see what beers we got with us today. I got a good selection today. Right, if you watched the Chepstow video, we got the Wye Valley. It's the sparkling mead, honey and rhubarb, this one, so don't know what that's going to be like. And I got one of the other ones. There was 3. This is just the pure honey sparkling mead. We got a few different brew dogs. We got Brewdog Candy Kittens. I know it is actually called Candy Kittens, I promise you. Let's find, there you go, Candy Kittens. I got this one as well. It's a Belgian IPA, Rambo Mentality, so I'm looking forward to having that.
Chinese, isn't it?
Yeah, while Steve's looking at that, my next one is the Brewdog Silk Road, Lychee and Mango Hazy IPA. Another Brewdog Punk IPA, because they're just easy to start off with. Then I got this one as well, Utopia. It's a Brewdog collaboration with someone. It's black lager. Ever heard of black lager, Steve?
Never. I like the sound of that.
No, me, not at all. So that'll be interesting. So, and what are you on, Steve?
Dedication.
Yeah.
We got the goblins again tonight.
But you're on a different type, aren't you?
Goblin Gold.
Goblin Gold.
Premier.
Right, just a little quick one. We've got a missing guest, well, not guest, missing member of Boys of the Wood, back with us. Edward's back. Edward's back, baby. He didn't really disappear anyway. I just kept forgetting to bring him. That's true. So I think we'll just hang him up out the way by there. From the camera. Oh, he's done camera shy. Sorry. Turn your back on me, mate. Cheeky bastard. There's no reason why he keeps turning away, right? It's possessed.
Yeah.
I'm just spinning his head around, so there's no reason why the rest of it should... Do you know what I'm saying? Because the head freely spins.
Yeah.
So...
He's got a mind of his own.
Yeah, but the head's spinning, right? I didn't spin the string then, I just sped the head.
Yeah, he's always looking
It just doesn't want to know us.
looking southeast.
So for tonight, food, I've got sausages with mushrooms and onions and baps, so I'm going to just make them into a nice sausage, onion and mushroom bap, because what else would I do with those ingredients? Or knob. But to cook my sausages, I got my new sausage grill. So it can hold 6 sausages in it. Obviously I wouldn't take this on big hikes and stuff with me, but even though it's not weighty really, it's just a bit cumbersome. What was the time, Steve? About 7:15, wasn't it?
Oh no, it's 5 to 6.
5 to 6? Oh.
You've lost tongue, Gare.
It's 5 to 6. Steve's getting hungry already, so he's going to start cooking on the firebox tonight. And you're doing steaks, aren't you, Steve?
Steak tonight, yes. Steak, mushrooms with a gravy. Mushroom, was it mushroom gravy? Cream mushrooms. Sauté potatoes. And caramelised onion. I don't mess around. I think what I might do before it gets too hot is move it slightly by here.
That's better actually, yeah.
Yeah. I tell you what, they grate these. That's me.
Sounds like you just had an idea. Imagine you did make that noise every time you had an idea.
Shut up and sit down.
Right, so Steve's cooking, so I thought I might as well cook as well. So I'm just going to chop up some onions, chop up some mushrooms. That's quite nice. Like that. So I'm going to have to put the camera down now and chop up some of this shit as I can.
He's an accountant who's chartership here.
Romantic, isn't it? Shut up and sit down.
Garlic from a pallet. That's what you do. First ingredient is garlic from a pallet. Then you put your onions from an underground subway toilet. I got my mushrooms from Steve's arse crack. Right, so 12 days, 5,000 fireworks, and many hours and a 1 burnt pan are finally ready to eat. So, looks good, doesn't it? So we came here to get away from all the fireworks and everything, and it just went mental. Well, I can still hear some of them going off.
It's like a song.
Yeah.
You and me.
Right, next can up. Oh, by the way, I didn't like that mead. It had the texture of drinking olive oil, and I don't really like honey, but I knew that, but, you know, anyway. And Steve wasn't a fan either, were you, Steve?
No.
So this is my next one I'm trying, so let's give it a go. Oh, that's brilliant. That's absolutely lush. Right, just need one of your shoelaces now, Steve.
Yeah, I'll get it out, I'll get it.
And your shoelace.
That's commitment for you.
Whoa, shit. Luckily I finished both those beers and I didn't knock the one that was full.
It would have been a waste, wouldn't it? Stay there, get off fast at you.
It's alright, I'm coming down now.
Oh, you've had enough of you?
Yeah, it's in enough in the ground, I just need to tie it off.
Oh, okay. Bastard.
Try the proper way.
It's 8:45 and Geraint decides he fancies doing a little bit of bushcrafting. His tent isn't up, but
Yeah. I'm going to make my tent
yeah,
tonight.
he's going to make it out of wood.
So, I'm just making a club, basically. This
Yeah.
going to be easier to use.
Yeah. It's a solid bit of wood, isn't it?
This actually is, unfortunately, it would be like the hardest block of bloody wood, right?
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Would be when I get there, yeah.
Good old Moira knife.
Just trying to smooth it off now more than
Yeah.
anything. I'm not trying to cut. I
Yeah.
need to cut some chunks out, but yeah, I guess
Yeah.
good. Let's get that out.
Good now, isn't it? Might have been worse than a bag.
Oh, feel that.
Oh. Oh my God! I just want to hit wood with it.
Steve! It's a bit wobbly here, it's on the end.
Imagine how the whole thing comes down. Oh, steady, Eddie.
That is so nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're a hero, Care.
Well, you know me. You know me.
Anything for the boys.
Right, so get the underneath, make sure it's nice and clean, bug free. Just basically cut in. As wide as you need the plaster to be. Try and go about 3 mil, 4 mil deep. Easier said than done, I know. Just go back over your cuts, just to make sure they're going to peel. Then start your knife on the end just to lift it up. It's a little bit tough and it does want to fight it, but it will go. And then there you go. There's your natural birch polypore plaster. You wrap that around your cut. And there you go, antiseptic properties. And plaster, natural plaster.
16 hours later.
You can dry that out. I think you have to dry it out too much actually, because I think it would still do a semi-good job of sharpening it, but I do believe you have to dry it out to do a proper job. It's definitely clean, my blade. So, yeah, many uses. Rabbiting already. So yeah, we're coming to the end of the night now. Nothing much has happened. We just had a nice chilled evening and we hammered some sticks into the ground. made a club, cooked some food, had plenty of beers. Gonna open up another one now before bed. Steve's trying to find classic FM, so sorry if there's this noise in the background.
Classical gas I'm going for.
Can't remember what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I was going to do a little shout out. I'll do a shout out with this music playing actually, yeah. That's nice. So, shout out to another YouTuber. She's a good support, great supporter of the channel actually, and comments and watches pretty much every video, if not every video. She's I want to say German or hang on, German or Austrian. I'm drunk now. I should have done this before I was drunk. Sorry.
Drunk.
Yeah. Yeah. I got the red light on as well. Hang on, I don't need that one, do I? Hang on. Worst shout out ever. I'm gonna have to start this one again. I can't find the off button for the red light. Oh, there we go. That's better. Right. So yeah. Oh yeah. That's not too bright now. I haven't even said her name. Little one. Oh. I'll do it on another video. Hang on. No. Little One Adventures. Yeah, she's great. She does lots of outdoor, showing you all her local woodlands area. This isn't happening. I'll do it another time. Our little friend. Right, Steve's just gone to bed. I'm going to do the same now. Not much else to say other than I'll see you in the morning. Morning. 7 o'clock. It was an okay sleep. I woke up a few times because the pillow kept going down on me. These ear things are shit. So yeah, my pillow's sort of gone now. Morning properly. Steve's up. Just a little wipe. Yeah, Steve's up. Just gonna make myself a brew. You old faithful. So I had a crap night's sleep. My Yoko pillow failed on me. I had to pump it up 4 times in the night, which was a pain in the ass. I hate it. But Steve had a nice comfortable sleep. You were nice and cosy, weren't you, Steve?
Oh, like a little baby.
There you go, like a baby. Medic. Just listened to a bit of Enya, Lord of the Rings on Classic FM.
Yeah.
It's going down really well. Just having our morning coffees. Then we're going to make a move. I think it's probably been a bit of a relaxing, I don't want to say mundane video, but definitely a relaxing.
It was a chill out video.
Yeah.
Very much needed, I think.
Different pace than the usual kind. But cheers all. Thanks for watching.
Happy days.
Happy bonfire night and all that shiz.
Cheers.
Catch you later.
by Enya from
There we go, sorted. Need to trace all that bollocks. There, done. Oop. Right, tally ho. It's actually so easy to make, innit? It's just laziness, and I guess it's not always needed, but was that a fart?
Yeah. Quite a rare thing.
I'll have to look out at that on the edit now.